Not everyone has a big backyard, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy fresh fruits from your own garden. Today, we're exploring 10 fruit trees that thrive in pots and small spaces, perfect for balconies, patios, and small gardens. Growing fruit trees in containers is not just a space saver, it's also highly practical. Containers make trees easier to manage, protect from pests, and allow you to move them to optimize sunlight or protect them from harsh weather. Perfect for urban living or apartments, potted fruit trees can even help improve air quality and add a touch of greenery to balconies, patios, and small spaces. Plus, they're ideal for experimenting with dwarf or exotic varieties that might not survive in open ground. Dwarf lemon trees are a favorite for small space gardening. Compact and manageable, they grow well in pots and can produce fruit year-round in the right conditions. They thrive in full sunlight, need well-draining soil, and benefit from regular fertilization. Beyond their juicy lemons, these trees produce fragrant blossoms that can fill your balcony with a refreshing scent. Some dwarf varieties, like improved Meyer lemon, are especially cold-tolerant and ideal for container growing. A single tree can provide enough lemons for your daily needs, from cooking to fresh lemonade. Dwarf orange trees are perfect for patios, balconies, or any small garden space. Compact and easy to manage, they produce sweet, juicy oranges and fragrant blossoms that attract pollinators like bees. These trees thrive in full sunlight and well-draining soil, and regular fertilization encourages better fruiting. Varieties like the Calamandan or Washington Navel are especially suited for container growing. With proper care, a single dwarf orange tree can produce multiple harvests each year, adding both beauty and nutrition to your home. Fig trees are one of the easiest fruit trees to grow in pots, making them perfect for small spaces. They are forgiving, drought-tolerant, and adapt well to different climates. Their large, deep green leaves create a lush, tropical feel, while their sweet, nutrient-rich fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Varieties like brown turkey and black mission are ideal for container growth, and with proper sunlight and occasional pruning, a potted fig tree can produce abundant fruit year after year. Dwarf peach trees are ideal for small patios or container gardens. They grow quickly, producing beautiful spring blossoms that attract pollinators, and later yield juicy, sweet peaches. These trees thrive in full sunlight and well-draining soil, and regular pruning helps maintain a compact shape while improving fruit production. Varieties like Bonanza or Eldorado are specifically bred for pots, making it easy to enjoy homegrown peaches even with limited space. Even apple trees can thrive in containers. Dwarf apple varieties are perfect for small spaces. They are compact, manageable, and can produce crisp, flavorful apples year after year. These trees need full sunlight, regular watering, and well-draining soil. Varieties like Honeycrisp, Gala, and Fuji are ideal for pots. With proper pruning, you can maintain a small, healthy tree that yields a surprisingly abundant harvest. Plus, their blossoms in spring add beauty and attract pollinators to your balcony or patio garden. Strawberries may not be trees, but they're one of the best fruits for small spaces. They thrive in pots, window boxes, and hanging baskets, making them perfect for balconies, patios, or even small rooftops. Strawberries need plenty of sunlight, regular watering, and well-draining soil. Ever-bearing varieties can produce fruit throughout the growing season, giving you fresh, sweet berries for months. Plus, their vibrant red fruits and delicate white flowers add charm and color to your container garden. Dwarf mango trees are a tropical delight that can thrive even in large pots, making them perfect for sunny balconies or patios. They require full sunlight, well-draining soil, and regular watering. Varieties like Pickering or Dwarf Nam Dok Mai are bred specifically for container growth, staying compact while producing delicious, juicy mangoes. These trees not only provide fresh fruits, but also add a tropical look to your space, and with proper care, they can bear fruit within 2 to 3 years. Papayas are fast-growing tropical trees that adapt well to large pots, making them a great choice for small gardens or patios. They thrive in full sunlight and well-draining soil, and regular watering encourages healthy growth and fruiting. Papayas are not only visually striking with their tall, slender stems and large leaves, but they also produce sweet, nutrient-rich fruits high in vitamin C and digestive enzymes. Varieties like Red Lady and Solo are particularly suitable for container gardening, allowing you to enjoy fresh papayas even in limited spaces. Dwarf pomegranate trees are perfect for small spaces and container gardening because they're compact, hardy, and drought-tolerant. These trees thrive in full sunlight and well-draining soil, producing vibrant orange-red flowers that attract pollinators. Their fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Varieties like Nana and Wonderful are ideal for pots, offering beautiful blooms and juicy, nutrient-rich pomegranates year after year. Avocado trees are a rewarding choice for container gardening, as they can start small in a pot and gradually grow over time. They require plenty of sunlight, well-draining soil, and regular watering. While it takes patience, sometimes 3 to 5 years, to produce fruit, the creamy, nutrient-rich avocados are worth the wait. Dwarf varieties like Wurtz are perfect for pots, staying compact while still yielding delicious fruit. Additionally, their glossy green leaves and tropical appearance make them a beautiful addition to any balcony or small garden. To ensure healthy and productive fruit trees in pots, start with large containers that allow enough room for roots to grow and ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Always choose dwarf or compact varieties suited for container gardening. Place your trees in a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Use high-quality, well-draining potting mix and feed your plants regularly with a balanced fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Mulching the soil helps retain moisture and regulate temperature. Regular pruning and removing dead or crowded branches keeps the tree compact, improves airflow, and encourages better fruiting. Don't forget to check for pests and diseases and rotate pots occasionally to ensure even growth. Growing fruit trees in small spaces offers many benefits. They save money by reducing grocery costs, provide fresh and organic produce, and let you enjoy fruits straight from your garden. Potted trees also improve air quality by filtering pollutants and adding oxygen, while their greenery enhances the aesthetic appeal of balconies, patios, or small yards. Additionally, tending to these trees reduces stress, encourages outdoor activity, and gives a sense of accomplishment every time you harvest your own fruit. Small space fruit gardening also allows you to experiment with a variety of tropical, citrus, and exotic fruits that might not grow in your region otherwise. So there you have it, 10 fruit trees that grow perfectly in pots and small spaces. From citrus and figs to mangoes and avocados, there's something for every balcony or patio. Which one will you try first? Share your choice in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips, tricks, and small space gardening ideas.